All right, so the issue is Wordmove was not pushing or pulling the database. Everything else was working correctly. So this is the error. This line, the invalid sequence UTF8 argument error. So initially what I did, after lots and lots of research, found something to do here. When I added MySQL options -- hex blob, that took care of the pulling issue. It was pulling the database fine, but it was always, the push was always failing with this error, and nobody had an answer. So finally, after lots and lots of digging up, found a small piece of code in some remote answer somewhere. So then I had to dig down to all the way to this inside the Wordmove folder, all the way down to the SQL adapter, which in old version used to be a file, now it's a folder, and inside that is a WP CLI RB and the default RB. Now WP CLI, I installed that, and still that one failed because it could not talk to the database for some reason. So I gave up on that, and then this file, I had to open it up with this guy, and according to instruction, I had to go down to line number 44, which before it was, okay, right here, the G sub, near the G sub, this line was in line number 44. Right on top of it, these two lines I had to paste from that code sample. And then when I tried, the UTF8 problem went away. This problem was no longer there. But then it went a little bit farther and failed at this level. Some sort of a shell command error, blah, 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 unknown this, this is an unknown command coming from the remote SQL dump or SQL server. So this nobody had an answer to. I ended up opening up a ticket, etc., and then this time it actually worked. So, but I'm not sure it's gonna keep working. But in the end, found a really simple solution after a lot of playing around with this, enabling this guy here, hex blob, default character, it didn't even budge, nothing happened. So after analyzing that error code, I focused on here. I mean, my password, it didn't have double quote on it, right? I mean, the other ones, for example, the staging one, it still doesn't have it, but it's working fine, right? So I had no reason to look into that. But when I did update this happened. It actually successfully finished it. So that's where I am. I don't know if I run it again, it's gonna fail or not, but on video, let me see if the pull is working. Okay, so the pull worked, but let me try the push. It will probably still fail. I've never faced this problem before. There's no reason for this to fail at the moment. It takes a long time. At this point, it fails every time. So let's see. Whoa, look at that. All right, so it successfully did both push and pull. So, and meanwhile, let me check the actual site. If I broke anything, while trying everything, I ended up breaking the site a few times. All right, looks like it is working perfectly. So great. So that's it for this video. We will be back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.